Hi everyone. Hi everyone. My name is Shiny and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing how to click aesthetic pictures at home without using tripod, or how to click self-portraits or self-portraits ideas. I have made a video on this topic earlier and I got so many compliments from you guys. So I thought I have to make a part 2 of that video. And in case you haven't checked the part 1, please go check it out. The link will be in the description box down below. And without further ado, let's get started with today. Before I start, I want to make sure that you guys know that the pictures I'm gonna be clicking in this video, the ideas are totally not mine. I took the ideas from Instagram and Pinterest especially. So yeah, this is a little disclaimer. And yeah, let's just get started with today's video. So for the first one, we are going to need some leaves. You can obviously use fake ones, but yeah, this is what you are going to need, only the leaves. So let's click the first picture. So here I am taking two kinds of leaves, like this one which is for the background, and this single leaves you will need 2 or 3 of them. So stick the leaves on the wall where you are going to click the pictures. Set your phone in front of the wall. Hold the leaves in front of the camera like this. Now set the timer and start posing. And here is a little BTS. And these are the results before and after editing. So for the second one, we are going to need a net like this, but it should be long enough, not that long, but yeah, it should be long enough. And this is totally optional, but I am going to be using a flower, a fake one, but if you want, you can use a real one too. That would be great. And yeah, that's it. So let's click the picture. If you don't have this kind of net, you can also use this kind of dupattas. So I took the bowl and keeping half of the net inside it, placing the phone right there. Now what you actually have to do is just hold the net in front of the camera like this and pose. And here you can see the outcomes. So for the third one, try to wear something colorful or some bold colors, like anything you want, any color you want, but make sure you are wearing something colorful, like I am wearing mustard yellow top, because in this picture the background and everything will be so whitish. So yeah, try to wear something colorful. And yeah, let's click the third pic. Okay, before I start, there is another thing I wanted to say to you guys, that I do a lot of mistakes because I'm an ordinary human being just like you guys. So please don't judge me, and whatever I'm saying in this video and I'm doing in this video are totally based on my personal experience. So yeah, this is the thing I wanted to say to you guys, and I am not giving any gyan because I'm not a pro obviously. And yeah, this is the thing, and let's get started. For this one, take an old book page and make a hole like this. You can use newspapers or magazines instead of book. And for the background, I'm gonna be using these storybook pages. Now stick them onto the wall. Set the phone in front of the wall, and now we just have to stick the page in front of the camera just like this. I have used tape to kind of set the page so that it can make the perfect frame. So this is how the frame should look like. And here are the results. Okay, so for the third one, I am going to use a chart paper, a colored chart paper instead of the storybook page, and the background will be the sky, and except all of this, the picture will be quite similar to the previous one. So yeah, let's click the picture. make a hole like this in the paper like before. So here I did a little jugaad to set the phone in this angle, and I am gonna be doing kind of the same thing that I did earlier, but the only differences are you just have to hold the paper in front of the camera and the poses will be different this time. And yeah, here are the results. Okay, so for the last one, as a prop we need a balloon and the background will be the sky. And yeah, that's it. That's all about the picture. So let's click the picture. So you can use as many balloons as you want, but I am lazy, so I blow up only one. Now set the phone on the floor, making this angle again. I did a jugaad. Set the timer, and I'm gonna be clicking pictures with the help of my toe. And yeah. Now I have edited the pictures to add one more balloon, and if you want to know how, I will be uploading a video about that on my Instagram, so follow me there. My account link is given in the description box down below. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching, and if it was helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and please do let me know if you want a part 3 of this video. And yeah, see you on my next video. Bye.